Lord, I want to thank you. I want to thank you. I want to thank you. Because I made it home. So, 285 in Atlanta, Georgia is no joke. And I just got off of 285. It's about 11 o'clock at night. And it is pouring down, raining like Jesus trying to baptize us all. And y'all fools still trying to do 70 miles per hour. Y'all got me fucked up. Y'all got me fucked up. Oh, to the truck driver that blew at me because I was not going to go past 50 miles per hour because I couldn't see. Fuck you. You see where you stood? Do you see where you stood? Behind me. You will stay behind me. Going as fast as I go. Because guess what? I wasn't going any faster. I don't care. I couldn't see, nigga. What the fuck was I gonna go? Was you gonna help me get there? No. Got my nerves messed up. But I'm gonna tell y'all like this. Y'all better start slowing y'all ass down. I done seen 3 accidents in the last 30 minutes. It's raining. I'm talking about no. Jesus is washing away sins outside. And I mean, he is cleansing. Because it's coming down. And y'all fools are still trying to do 70, 80 miles per hour. Y'all big trucks, y'all don't stop fast enough. Why the hell are you moving that fast? I know you got to get somewhere, but why the hell are you moving that fast when it's raining like it is outside? 285, oh my God, Atlanta, if y'all don't put, what is it, them lines, the yellow lines and the white lines, when the light hit them, it's supposed to make it easier to see. Lord, I just want to take this moment and I want to thank you. Thank you for riding with me in the passenger seat. Taking over the wheel when needed. Most importantly, get me back home safe. I'm going to pray. Lord, I pray that everybody that I pass is okay. And I pray that the rest of y'all make it home safely too, or to work safe. If you late, you late. Hell, fuck it. It ain't the first time, is it?